We are now inviting those passengers with small children and any passengers requiring special assistance to begin boarding at this time. Please have your boarding pass and identification ready. Regular boarding will begin in approximately 10 minutes time. Thank you.
Well done. Excellent. Alert weather. We are approaching bad weather with rain. Please remain calm. Fasten your seatbelt. We will get you to your destination safely. Thank you. Excellent. Ladies and gentlemen, we are preparing for landing. Please fasten your seatbelt, set your seat upright, and stow your tray table. Remain seated until the aircraft has stopped. Thank you for flying with us.